Okay, so this would be a really typical GCSE question that we're having to simplify 4 over x plus 1 plus 7 over x minus 2. So you would have got a common denominator of x plus 1 upon x minus 2. Then you would have said, right, in the top line I'm going to have 4 times x minus 2 and 7 times x plus 1. You would have multiplied out the top line and added it together, and that would have given you 11x minus 1 over x plus 1 upon x minus 2. Okay, so that's a typical question that you would get at GCSE. Now at A-level, we want to be able to take the final answer and separate it back out into the original question. We'll use this a lot in integration, but we're just going to practice the actual technique at the minute. So there's 3 different types we'll have to worry about. The first one in this video then concerns linear factors. So that just means that we've got no quadratics or anything like that on the bottom line. It's just linear expressions. So our first one was 7x plus 8 over x plus 4 upon x minus 6. So we're going to say, well, that will be a over x plus 4 plus b over x minus 6. Now if we take the right hand side and get our common denominator, x plus 4 upon x minus 6, on the top line we're going to have a upon x minus 6 and b upon x plus 4. Now we can see these two fractions have to be the same, the left hand side and the right hand side. The denominators are the same, so that means the numerators have to be the same. So 7x plus 8 equals a upon x minus 6 plus b upon x plus 4. Now we want to use this line to find out what a and b are. So I'm going to put in different values of x. So the first thing I'll do is say x is minus 4. Put that in. On the left hand side we get minus 20. The right hand side b disappears because this bracket will go to 0. So we have minus 10a, which means a is 2. Then I'm going to put in x equals 6. And on the left hand side we'll have 50. And on the right hand side, this time a disappears and we're left with 10b. So that means b equals 5. And then the final part of our question is to write out the full answer. So our 7x plus 8 over x plus 4 upon x minus 6 we can write as 2 over x plus 4 plus 5 over x minus 6. Okay, our second one then, 9x squared plus 34x plus 14 over x plus 2 upon x squared minus x minus 12. Now this looks like it has a quadratic on the bottom of this fraction, but we know that we can change that into 2 linear factors. So I'm going to separate that into 2 brackets. Our product is minus 12 and our sum is minus 1. So it's going to be x minus 4 upon x plus 3. And then we can write that as, that equals a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 4 plus c over x plus 3. So that would leave the numerators then of either side. Left hand side is 9x squared plus 34x plus 14. And our right hand side a upon the other two, so x minus 4 upon x plus 3 plus b upon x plus 2 upon x plus 3 plus c upon x plus 2 upon x minus 4. Then I'm going to say let's let x equal minus 2. The left hand side becomes minus 18. On the right hand side, anywhere where x plus 2 appears, we'll leave that term as 0, so it's just a that we're left with. So it's minus 6a, which means a is 3. Then I'm going to let x equal 4. The left hand side becomes 294. And on the right hand side, this time A and C will disappear and we're just left with B. And that becomes 42b, and B equals 7. And then I'll have x equal minus 3. The left hand side becomes minus 7. And on the right hand side, A and B disappear, so we're just left with C. And you get 7c, so C is minus 1. And then again, write out your answer. So our original fraction was 9x squared plus 34x plus 14 over x plus 2 upon x squared minus x minus 12. And we're now writing that as 3 over x plus 2 plus 7 over x minus 4 minus 1 over x plus 3.